the price of Bitcoin within a breath of $100,000 today. Very exciting times. We got that. We got charts. We got Bitcoin news. We got Ethereum news. We're talking about Cardano today, okay? We got some exciting stuff. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. First and foremost, man, I mean, am I the only one who gets aroused when looking at this chart? I mean, it's got me going from 6 to midnight, man. It's a thing of beauty. Gosh darn, look at that sucker. Wow. Wow. Celebrate it. Love it. Take a screenshot. Frame it. Put it in your house. Tell your grandkids that you were here for this moment. We got within 2% of $100,000. 6 freaking figure Bitcoin today, man. Gah. I regret every Bitcoin I've ever sold ever in the history of my entire time in crypto. Obviously, everybody does. Everybody does. Oh, those Bitcoins that you aped into some random shit coins 6 years ago. Crap. It's okay. We got plenty of Bitcoin, guys. But holy crikey, man. What a beautiful day. And, of course, another giant day for Bitcoin ETF inflows, $773 million. Again, the equivalent of probably 3 weeks of Bitcoin miner emissions. I know I'm like a broken drum here, broken record, beating the drum of this here. Beating the monkey. We beat the monkey off. Anyway, that's a lot of money, okay? Long story short, it's a lot of money, all right? So just, that's nuts. Absolutely nuts. CryptoCon here with another killer chart. Says everyone and their dog watching the MVRVZ for the Bitcoin cycle top. He says, you bet, but that hasn't stopped it from showing us perfectly where we are in the cycle. In fact, I would say no, not everyone and their dog is watching this. It's some niche nerd crap. CryptoCon, you, me, the people watching the channel, okay? The vast majority of the TikTok retail normies coming in and aping into whatever crap is trending on TikTok today, they are not watching the MVRVZ cycle top, okay? They're not. And when the cycle top comes, they're not going to sell. They're the buy high, sell low crowd. Well, someone's got to be exit liquidity, man. Ain't going to be you and me. It's going to be those guys, all right? All right, anyway. He says 2 tops to go. More people will abandon ship earlier this cycle than ever before, which isn't over enthusiasm. It's just psychology. So many were burned in 2021 and held to the bottom, and they're scared and they want to lock in the profit. Relax. This is what we've been waiting for. It's just getting started. I completely agree with that sentiment. As hard as it may be sometimes, we're still going a lot higher, guys. It's not going to be easy, but we're going a lot higher. Hey, guys, BitUnix. If you are a cryptocurrency trader, you got to get yourself an account over at BitUnix. Okay, they are doing no KYC cryptocurrency trading. You can trade futures, altcoins, spot markets, all kinds of fun stuff. Deep liquidity across all their pairs. And not only can you trade no KYC to enjoy your privacy while trading, you can also get an insane bonus. So here's what you need to do. Step 1, use the link down below in the description. Step 2, deposit $200 or more. Step 3, you're going to get a $150 USDT bonus back. Rewards are paid out daily. That's crazy, man. It's like a 75% deposit bonus if you just deposit $200. If you deposit more, of course, it's just a great $150. This is a limited time offer, and it's actually only got about 36 more hours or so to go. So if you want to get in on that offer, well, now's the time because it's not going to be lasting for much longer. Now, let's talk about it. Bitcoin news is insane. Ah, gosh, look at that. Look at that beast. Bitcoin news is insane. Let's talk a little about Ethereum right now. HedgeX says buying ETH now is like buying Tesla a few weeks ago before it ran 100%. I agree. The ETH beach ball will not be kept underwater for much longer. It's going to bounce, and it's going to bounce hard, okay? I know it's bouncing today a little bit, but we're still within the range, okay? We haven't broken out in a major way yet. ETH is going to go crazy at some point, okay? Does that mean it's going to outperform versus a lot of the top 50 layer 1 blockchains? No. ETH's got a 5x from here to the peak, okay? So a 400% gain, about something like that. Fantastic. ETH's going to 15K. I'm going to do a video on that, breaking that down here for you guys in a couple of days, the thesis behind why that's going to happen. Anyway, it's coming, okay? the hated rally for Ethereum, which of course nobody has any exposure. Well, not everyone. Obviously, some of you guys have exposure. I have exposure. It's my second biggest damn bag. I've been patiently waiting for it to happen. Well, sitting here, you know, I feel like that meme has really come to life. You know, the guy in the cuck chair and his woman's with the Solana guy. Now it's like, not only do I have to watch you know, my woman being here with the Solana guy. Now she's with the Cardano guy. Now she's with the XRP guy. ETH still ain't doing crap. It's been quite the ride recently. But the hated asset will not be hated much longer. Okay? ETH will have its revenge. ETH is going to have a mega rally. Okay? Because of course it is. Guys, it's frickin' Ethereum. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Look at this bad boy chart. So after bouncing here, finding some nice support around the $3,000 mark. Big fat round number, of course. Logical place to find support at. Bounced quite a bit higher today, going from 3,000 to 3,300. Nice move for a big asset like Ethereum. Next major target to the upside is 3,550 approximately. Now, when we break out beyond that, that becomes an absolutely critical moment. And again, we'll break down this more down in like a 15-minute video just talking about the price of Ethereum. But one thing to note here, look at this line right here, okay? This, moving the line here. This right here. This downtrend line, okay, when we break out beyond 35.50, that downtrend line is not far away. Break out beyond that, the price of Ethereum probably doubles in just a few weeks' time, would be my guess, okay, because that's a major trend breakout right there. And when the price of Ethereum doubles, which it will, obviously, at some point, that takes us up to what? $7,500 Ethereum, which, by the way, is the 1.618 Fibonacci target line. Curious how that works. Anyway. Steven here, the great meme. ETH lags. 0.03 is the absolute bottom. Trust me. Institutions are going to build on ETH. Just wait for the hate pump. ETH has SHIB. It'll catch up. It just lags. Yeah, it will, though. It will. It's only a matter of time. ETH being outperformed by Cardano over the last week. Cardano's up 150 gosh darn percent. Congratulations, Cardano holders. And you guys know I don't currently hold any Cardano. We made some great money on Cardano last cycle. Haven't bought back in this cycle. I have not been a big fan of the network metrics overall. But that doesn't stop basically the Cardano cult. And don't take offense at that. That's a good thing that Cardano's a cult. Because cult coins, Bitcoin's a cult too, okay? Ethereum's a cult too. Don't get me wrong, right? The Cardano cult, though, is very, very strong. Like the XRP cult. You know, it's quite funny. I actually make a video on XRP the other day saying, hey, XRP is going to go up, you know, a lot in price. Just trying to do a realistic, you know, technical analysis video. The amount of salt in that comment section. Could start a salt factory. Anyway, ETH being outperformed by Cardano this week. Boom. That's crazy. Good job. Good job, Cardano. Why is everyone getting excited about Cardano? Well, actually, it's not just Cardano. It's XRP and even Stellar Lumens, which... great. I mean, all these sort of monster layer one protocols are getting a lot of bid. All of these tokens are up like 100% in the last 2 weeks, which is massive. And we're seeing, you know, that's tens of billions of dollars of market cap gain for these assets. It's absolutely massive. Well, you see this stuff happening right here. So Jed McCaleb, he is the founder of Stellar Lumens. He also was the founder of XRP, by the way. He made billions of dollars getting to sell off his 10% share of XRP. Different story. Jed McCaleb talking to Charles Hoskinson. Okay, so is that Stellar Lumens and Cardano coming together? Speculation's running hot. Then we have David Schwartz and Brad Garlinghouse. David Schwartz is the CTO over at Ripple Labs. Brad Garlickhouse. He is not only grows great garlic, but also he is the dude, the CEO over at Ripple Labs, right? So these guys are instrumental to the XRP ledger and the future developments of partnerships for Ripple Labs and all that kind of stuff, right? Well, they're talking to Cardano too. They're talking to Charles Hoskinson. And Charles, the beard stays on, man. I guess apparently, holy crap. That needs to be, is there a beard stays on or a Charles with beard meme coin on Cardano? Because there really should be. That's like the perfect meme, or just beard. That's the meme. Cardano, you know, Charles Hoskinson's beard. That's it. That's all you need is meme coin. Anyway, big things happening. And these guys coming together, working together, I mean, that's massive potential. You got to keep that real, all right? Coin Bureau here posting rumors of a Ripple Cardano partnership after the chat between Ripple CTO and Charles Hoskinson, again, as well as talking to the guys over Stellar Lumens. Hoskinson hinted at using Cardano's midnight privacy tech to boost XRP's DeFi capabilities. Oh, nice. Very, very nice. Now, this comes hot on the heels of Cardano working to bring Bitcoin Layer 2's greater accessibility as well. I mean, has Charles pulled it off? Is everything going to run on Cardano? We shall see. We shall see. Great price action. It's still worth keeping in mind. Marty Party posted this. This is blockchain DEX volumes by November 19th. Cardano down here at $13.3 million. You can see $7.3 billion on Solana, Ethereum Base, BNB, SWI, Avalanche, Tron, Aptos, Telegram Network, right? So we're seeing absolutely gargantuan trading volume on some of these top chains, but not so much on Cardano. Okay, so there's other network metrics that I really think Cardano needs to catch up on a lot, and I've shared these criticisms before, and some people say, well, I'm unfairly targeting Cardano when I make criticisms of different things, Cardano or others. You guys usually have, when we did live streams are coming back soon, by the way. When we did live streams, we're coming back soon, you guys are always asking me about Cardano, so I share my thoughts, right? But I also trash my ETH bags, okay? Don't worry. We've made lots of fun of Ethereum recently because it deserved to be made fun of. Holy crap. Have you guys seen what was going on at ETH recently? It's a mess. Anyway, very interesting to see if these partnerships all work out. I think we'll see a lot of increased DEX volume on Cardano, by the way. And look at that candle, man. Look at that, 156% in 3 weekly candles. Damn, son, that is a big move for Cardano. Now, very important to point out, right now, Cardano sits at a very, very critical price point around the 80 cent mark, because that is the yearly resistance. Okay, so that's how we got for the price back in March. Okay, we got up to 80 cents. Okay, damn, we got almost to 25 cents in the bear market there, huh? Anyway, whatever we're going to call that. The craziness of August. Now we have to get over that. Okay, seeing a correction happen here. We're just looking at charts, okay? Trying to keep it realistic. Bit of a correction here would not be all that crazy. Might not be that big. Maybe only come down to like 66 cents, for example, which will be this area right here. Previous resistance, flipping that into support. Not that crazy. Also, you can zip back a little bit and see there's other areas and times when this has actually acted as price resistance as well. I'm sure you go back further in time, you'll find even more confluence with that area as potential pullback before blasting higher and taking out that resistance at 80 cents. So if you're looking to get a position, maybe there's a better entry for you down there at 66 cents. Or if you're looking to go leverage long on Cardano, maybe there's a better entry down there for you at 66 cents. Or you're long in the breakout, okay? So weekly candle confirmed over 80 cents. That's the breakout. That's the signal. That says we're probably going to go a lot higher, a lot faster, okay? Okay. Real quick, last couple stories here for you. Trump administration consider creating the first ever White House crypto role. The crypto czar. We're going to have a crypto czar in the Trump White House. You're not bullish enough. Simple. MicroStrategy, the most traded stock in America today. That's insane. Even ahead of Tesla, even ahead of NVIDIA. It's been years since the stock has traded more than any of those two. It may have actually even been GME, GameStop, to do it last time. It's also about to double the SPY. Absolutely wild times. And it's only going to keep going higher as the price of Bitcoin keeps going higher and Michael Saylor keeps buying more Bitcoin. Wild. Absolutely wild. The Giga Chad himself. And final thought here, Chris Boniski, email inbox is mushrooming with people looking to get allocated to crypto. A sense of urgency in the request. The entire capital stack is realizing it's massively underallocated. The trend is higher. Amen. Amen to that. We got a lot of people. If you thought you're in an echo bubble. We've been in an echo bubble for the past 2 or 3 years. If you're watching my videos, you've been in an echo bubble with me, okay? The normies, most of the retail money, most of the institutional money, they have zero exposure, and they're rushing now trying to get exposure. Okay, the FOMO to get Bitcoin before it hits 100K is high. Okay, and then they start looking at other, oh shit, Bitcoin's going too fast. I'm going to buy Ethereum. Oh, you think Ethereum's not going to get bid? Oh shit, I'm going to buy some Cardano. Oh, I'm going to buy this or that, the other thing. This is how bull market final phases are formed. Okay, there you go. Guys, time to newsletter. Newsletter's awesome. No, seriously, it is. You'll freaking love it. We put so much work into this newsletter every week. It's an absolute banger of a newsletter. So go check it out. 145,000 people a week read this bad boy. Meme coins, altcoin deep dives, technical analysis, charts. Fun times. Memes. We love memeing over there. Check it out. Link down below. It's free. Go check it. Thank you very much. We'll see you back in the next one. Peace.